Are you tired of complex EDI processes? Do you lack visibility to your business data and struggle to maintain compliance with your trading partners? Look no further. One EDI Source HQXchange is here to revolutionize your B2B communications. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, we have a solution for you. HQXchange is a cutting-edge EDI platform that seamlessly combines three powerful components: EDI HQ Software, AS2 Complete Data Encryption Software, and IntelligentXChange IX Visibility Portal. EDI Headquarters, or HQ, provides robust mapping software that allows you to transform your EDI data to suit your unique requirements. With an intuitive interface, you can quickly configure mappings to adapt to your specific needs. Additionally, EDI translation software seamlessly integrates your EDI data, ensuring smooth communication with your trading partners and compliance with individual business rules. EDI HQ automatically sets up and configures your trading partners. With just one click, you can confirm and initiate the flow of EDI data for new trading partners. Our IntelligentXChange, or IX Visibility Portal, provides critical business data to you and other departments by streamlining your access to your organization's B2B operational supply chain and invoicing processes. Personalized dashboard metrics to track key operational events alerts you to issues like advanced ship notices or missing invoices before they happen. It can provide data-driven decision-making through proactive notifications, an easy-to-use interface designed for quick access to EDI documents, and a built-in integration with EDI HQ. The last component of our HQX solution includes AS2 Complete. Our AS2 Complete software adheres to AS2 standards, streamlining the process of securely transmitting and receiving EDI, electronic data interchange, and other data. Here are some key features of AS2 Complete. AS2 Complete ensures compatibility with the AS2 protocol, allowing seamless communication between trading partners. Transparent data exchange. You can effortlessly send and receive EDI files without any hidden complexities. Certificate management. AS2 Complete simplifies the creation and management of certificates, ensuring secure authentication. Data encryption and decryption. The software handles data encryption and decryption, safeguarding sensitive information during transmission. Reliability. AS2 Complete provides a reliable solution for sharing EDI files with your trading partners. With AS2 Complete, you have an efficient and secure way to exchange data, making it an essential tool for businesses engaged in EDI transactions. One EDI Source HQXchange offers a comprehensive suite of EDI software solutions and client services. Through customizable subscription packages and an in-house support team, you gain access to a powerful EDI platform with unrivaled depth and flexibility that caters to your unique EDI business needs. Experience the future of EDI with One EDI Source HQXchange. Visit us at oneedisource.com to learn more today.